Don't have a microwave to warm your pizza? Having problem with the electricity so can't use the microwave? Sit back, relax and watch what to do. Take your pizza from the fridge or from wherever you stored it. But before taking the pizza from the storage, ensure that you have a pot of water boiling in a silver pot or any pot you have. This is very essential because the heat from the boiling water is going to act as the microwave. Turn the lid of the pot upside down, to create a resting place for the innocent pizza as you gently microwave it. Oh sorry, pot wave it. Place the pizza on the lid which you turned upside down. And give it some minutes to get heated. After few minutes of waiting, we are back to see how our innocent pizza is faring under the hot weather. Here you go, hot and well microwaved without microwave. Please share this to help a lad eat hot pizza without microwave. Subscribe.